Hello, I have with me here, my name is Lee M. Cimfel. I'm running for Secretary of State, Nebraska 2026. I have with me here some handcuffs, and I'm going to put them on behind my back. Now, the trick to this, see how they're on tight? They're on tight. I am going to stand up and slip out of these cuffs. Now this, not everybody can do. I'll do it one more time. I'll put them back behind my So, now, I'll unlock them. And that is how it's done. So, I have a little bit of a speech impediment. It's hard to explain. But what I'm trying to say is vote for me. Vote for me. So, as Secretary of State, Nebraska 2026, I love you and God bless America.